We are off on our first big outing to a garden center.
Yay!
Well, we went to a garden center, but that wasn't to go shopping.
Yeah, this is to go shopping.
So I have a couple things on my list.
I have about 50 things on my list.
50? What kind of things do you have on your list?
Trees, lots of trees.
Are we buying trees today?
We might.
Oh, dear. I am looking for more of that Astromeria. I don't know how to say it.
Oh, that stuff. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty.
I want to line the back of that area with it where the roses are, put them behind the roses.
Yep.
Might not be the perfect combination, but I like it.
I like it too.
And then I do need to get a couple more of the viburnum for the hedge, just because there's one spot that's missing, one spot that's got a gap, and one plant that looks a little funny. So that's my goal, are those plants.
What about that gap in the shrubs that we had? The one shrub died, you know, that little hedge you built for the third time?
That's the viburnum that I was just talking about.
Okay. Yeah, we need some of that. 2 of them.
We're going to get 3.
But we're going to get 3.
I got 3 spots.
And if he gets 3, I get 3 trees. That's how it works.
Oh, we'll see. Let's see what we can find.
We'll see.
I want to see if there's any of that liquid amber sweet gum.
Oh, then we're going to, I will have more than 3. I will have at least 6 trees.
Oh dear. Okay, well, we're good.
I like to keep on edge.
Let's see how this goes.
I like to keep them on edge, folks.
We're gonna try.
Okay.
Oh, it's gonna stick out the back.
We'll see. Okay, somewhat successful.
Very successful, I thought.
Yeah, we got our sweet gum tree. So it feels funny planting.
I'm very happy.
It feels funny planting a North American native here in Ireland, but hey, it's a little piece of home that we're bringing here.
Yeah, and it's a beautiful tree.
It really is. I've never grown a sweet gum. It's kind of a border plant for us as far as zones go, so it doesn't necessarily grow perfectly by us.
But the color is spectacular. So we're told.
Yeah, in the fall.
In the fall.
And then we were at the farm store the other day, and they have trees. And what did you see?
I saw, what is it called, variegated maple? A variegated maple. And his folks have a beautiful variegated maple on their property at the nursery. And I love that tree, and I want that tree, and so we bought one of those too.
Yeah, now that one's very small. It was interesting to see the difference in the size, because one was 50 euros, one was 90 euros.
Yeah.
The 90 euro tree is leaps and bounds bigger than the smaller one. So I'm going to have to stake that one. This one I might get away with not staking. I'm not sure. Although I probably still will put something, because we could get wind up here. Oh,
You notice this is called midges. So we're going to carry on here, but remember, at some point we're going to scream running away from here because they're eating us alive.
The other thing that we did, I did get all of the 3 replacement verbena or viburnums.
Viburnum.
I'm having trouble speaking because of these bugs. But those are all planted. But I couldn't get my Alstroemeria. They didn't have it.
No, but they had one, but he wanted 3 or 4 of them. And
And
so I said, buy the one, but he said, no.
Last
I
year,
have no power.
Last year, every place had them. They were everywhere. And this year, they're nowhere. So you know how that goes. But I think we'll be able to get some.
Yeah, I think so.
Keep hunting for it.
I think so.
And then you also picked out a yellow flower.
A yellow calla lily.
And he loves callas.
I do. They're beautiful. And
People here, when they see the white ones, though, they go, "Oh,
the old lady flowers."
Yeah, granny flower.
I said, well,
but the yellow one is very modern. So
yeah, it's very modern. I still would like those big white ones, though.
Yeah,
You know?
and they grow pretty well in Ireland. I don't know how they grow here, though. And I think with this, we need to wrap this up because the bugs are going to eat us alive.
All right. Listen, thanks, folks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.